Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many of you may have encountered when working with 3D avatars and Three.js, the inability to switch clothes on an avatar. If you've been struggling with this problem, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the possible reasons behind this issue and walk through a step-by-step solution to get your avatar's wardrobe up and running. The ability to change clothes on an avatar is not just a cosmetic feature. It can greatly enhance the overall user experience in various applications, such as gaming, virtual try-on, or social platform. However, implementing this functionality can be tricky, especially when working with complex 3D models and textures. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to overcome the challenges associated with switching clothes on an avatar using Three.js. So let's dive into the Dell shade. When it comes to changing clothes on an avatar, there are several factors at play. First and foremost, we need to consider the structure of our 3D model. Is it a single mesh or a collection of separate objects? Understanding this hierarchy is crucial in determining how to approach the problem. One common mistake people make is trying to replace the entire avatar mesh with a new one whenever they want to switch clothes. While this might seem like an intuitive solution, it can lead to performance issues and other complications down the line. A more efficient approach would be to use a technique called texture swapping. This involves replacing only the textures associated with the clothing items rather than the entire mesh. To achieve this, we need to set up our 3D model in a way that allows for easy texture manipulation. This might involve creating separate materials or textures for each clothing item, and then using Three.js's built-in functions to swap them out as needed. Think of it like changing the clothes on a doll. You're not replacing the entire doll, just the outfit. Another important consideration is how we handle the animations and physics associated with the avatar. When switching clothes, we want to ensure that these elements remain intact and continue to function smoothly. This might involve updating the animation controllers or adjusting the physical properties of the clothing items themselves. So, let's recap the key points discussed in this video. Understand the structure of your 3D model and plan accordingly. Use texture swapping instead of replacing the entire mesh. Set up separate materials or textures for each clothing item. Update animation controllers and physical properties as needed. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully switch clothes on your avatar using Three.js SF. Remember to keep in mind the specific requirements of your project and adjust your approach accordingly. That's it for today's video. I hope this explanation helped clarify things for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content on 3 days in 3 development. In the next video, we'll explore another common challenge associated with 3D avatars, optimizing performance for smooth animations and interactions. Until then, happy coding.